What planet's clouds are made of sulfuric acid? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. Let's see who tell the correct answer. A. Venus. Question 2. Which cosmic event can outshine an entire galaxy for a short time? A. Solar storm. B. Supernova. C. Ice burst. Here's the answer. B. Supernova. Question 3. Which planet has the most powerful winds in the solar system? A. Neptune. B. Earth. C. Uranus. Comment your answer A, B, or C. Answer: Neptune. Here comes the next question. Question 4. What do we call stars that explode with unimaginable brightness? A. Nova. B. Supernova. C. Hyperflare. Guess the correct answer. Answer: Supernova. Comment your score. Question 5. Which galaxy glows intensely due to starburst activity? A. Andromeda. B. M82. C. M31. Absolutely correct answer. B. M82. Question 6. What is the name of stars that pulse like a heartbeat? A. Pulsars. B. Cepheids. C. Magnetars. Listen to the correct answer. B. Cepheids. Question 7. Which galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way? A. Triangulum. B. Andromeda. C. Circinus. Correct answer, Andromeda. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score.